Hey everyone, my name's Richard from Zappos.com, and today we're checking out these super snazzy shoes from Mephisto. These derby shoes here are really going to deliver fantastic style. You have a leather upper with some stitch detailing there on the side, some perforated detailing there as well with a smooth look up there to the front of the toes and back here around the heel. Really just looks fantastic all around. It's got a leather lined interior. It's really going to help keep your feet breathing and feeling great with a removable footbed down there on the bottom. So if you want, you can slide in your own custom orthotics, or you can leave this guy in there. As you can see, lots of padding with these perforations that you see throughout to really help out with breathability, to keep your feet cool on the inside. It's got a very thick and shock absorbing midsole. Keep your feet feeling fantastic with a durable rubber outsole here on bottom to keep you steady. Lace up some style today thanks to these guys right here from Mephisto.